Now in this tutorial we're going to be making the wing for Oaklyn the Owl. So let's get started. So I'm going to get hold of my color B, and with this I'm going to start by making our magic ring. And now within this magic ring I'm going to be doing 6 single crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm going to place in my marker, my locking pin, into the last stitch. And now we're going to pull onto the string to close up the magic ring. Now for round 2, I'm going to be doing 2 single crochets into that first stitch, so that's known as an increase. So this is 1, and then 2. And I'm going to repeat this all the way around. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull onto this string from the magic ring to close on up or tighten up this particular hole. There we go. For round 3 we're going to be doing 1 single crochet into the first stitch, and then into the next stitch I'm going to be increasing. And I'm going to repeat this sequence of 1 single crochet and an increase. I'm going to repeat this all the way around. Round 4, I'm going to do 1 single crochet into the first stitch and then an increase into the second stitch, and then I'm going to do 2 single crochets, so that's 1 and then 2, and then I'm going to increase into the next stitch, and then I'm going to do 2 single crochets, so that's 1, then 2, and then an increase into the next stitch, and I'm going to repeat this sequence nearly till the second last stitch over here, and then in the last stitch we'll do 1 single crochet. Once that round is done, we're going to just do a slip stitch into the next stitch, and then I'm going to do a chain 1 to lock the stitch. Hold on to the yarn a little bit and snip up the yarn to create a tail, and just pull it on. So that's the circle ready for the wing. Now I'm going to weave in the magic ring tail end with a darning needle through the existing stitches. Now I'm going to place in the main tail end into my darning needle. And I'm going to fold the circle into half like this and place in 3 stitches. So that's 1 and 2 and 3. And we're just going to bring the needle through the tip. And now I'm going to place in a simple knot to lock this thread in place. And there we go, our wing is ready.